Hi, I'm Inderjeet Singh from Mohali, Punjab. We are Hybrid Agrobots Private Limited. It's a new startup that we've launched about a year ago. Our main products are egg sorting plants from starting from 10,000 eggs per hour to up to 70,000 eggs per hour, which is a product that we are working on currently. And along with that, we also work for apple farmers for the apple grading and for orange orchards for orange sorting and gradings. Again, all these machines that we are building are all high-tech machines using the latest technologies in computer vision, artificial intelligence and machine learning. So all these machines that we are building are going to be highly very intelligent machines which will reduce manpower, dependency on manpower and human error. A lot of issues are there because of mishandling of goods, which there's a lot of incorrect categorization or grading of produce, which will all be eliminated by using the machinery. And along with that, the speed is many folds in comparison to human labor that is involved. Day one was good, and day two was phenomenal. Obviously, there was a lot of rush on the second day, and my throat is bad just because of yesterday. There was so much talking yesterday. It was very difficult to handle so many, and we've got a phenomenal response from not only from the commercial eggs, the industry, basically also from hatcheries and other connected industries. Yeah, thank you.